welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we will make a very easy and tasty AVAL, that's flat rice upma. This is very easy to make and it's very tasty. I have taken 1 cup of medium AVAL, that's flat rice. Just put it in a bowl and wash it in the tap water. There is no need to soak it, just wash it, and when it is drained it will become soft. So when it is soft like this in a minute, add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So add the lemon juice and mix the AVAL, that's the flat rice, well, so that it will be very tasty when you are making it. Instead of adding all this after putting this into the kadai, mixing it like this and keeping will be very tasty. In a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the mustard seed and cumin seeds splutter well. At this time, I have taken 2 medium-sized potato, peeled and cut it to small pieces. Add the potatoes and fry for a minute. Saute well so that it mixes with the seasoning. Mix it well and add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder for the potato. This is for the potato. Instead of frying the potato just like that and making the upma, it will be a little bland. So when you add this, it will be very tasty. It will be very tasty and the bite will be very tasty in the upma. So fry it for about 5 minutes. Close it and keep it for 5 minutes. When it will be half done, I have added 1 tablespoon of fried peanuts and 1 large onion, 2 green chillies and a sprig of curry leaves. Add the onion and the green chillies and curry leaves at this stage, not in the beginning. If you add it in the beginning, it will become very dark and the color will change. So when the potato is half cooked, add these and fry for another 5 minutes when everything will be well done and the potato will be soft. Saute well and add the soaked AVAL, this is the flat rice. Now the flat rice would be very tasty with the salt, turmeric and the lemon juice. Everything will be well set in it, well mixed. So just saute for another couple of minutes and it will be done. Add coriander leaves to it. It will be very tasty and very aromatic. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. It will not be sweet but it will be very tasty and it will balance the taste and the color of the upma. Now take the upma in a plate and add save to it. Adding save gives very good taste. This upma is to be eaten like this to enjoy it. So add the save to it and add a little more coriander leaves on top of it, which is a must. Only then it will be colorful and very aromatic and very tasty. The highlight of this is the pomegranate seeds. Add this pomegranate seeds on top of it when it will be very colorful and appetizing, and it will be very tasty only when you eat it this way. So you will know the taste when you make it and eat it. I am sure every one of you are going to make this recipe and enjoy it and definitely comment on it. I expect everyone to comment as to how it was. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, click the bell icon and choose the all option, when you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the recipes without missing any tasty recipe. Make it, enjoy it and comment without fail. Your comment is a great support to the channel. So I expect comment from everyone. Let's meet in the next video.